Hello everyone, this video I'm explaining our system which has been submitted to the competition Medical Document Profession Recognition. This is Fadi Hassan, PhD in Computer Science and Mathematics of Security. Starting this presentation by task description, then showing our system description. Later we show how we train our model. Finally, I will share with you the competition results. Task description. So there is 3 subtasks. So first subtask we have to find the exact mention for the occupation in medical text. Second subtask, we have to determine the person referred to these occupations, and then last task we have to assign ISCO code for every occupation mentioned. This is how the data looks like. So system description. Our system is a combination of several steps. So first step, we pass the text to a SPACY multilingual tokenizer. We pass then these tokenized sentences to a preprocessor. This preprocessor processes this data and pass the output to BERT classifier, and finally BERT classifier decide which entity, which token belong to entity and which one not. We solve this problem as entity recognition or as sequence labeling. We decided to choose BERT pre-trained model. On top of BERT pre-trained model, we build 2 CRF layers. First layer to handle the 2 subtasks, the first and the second, the NER and the class task, and the second layer to handle the third task. And overall, our model solved 3 tasks jointly. Training our model, so we decide to choose this hyperparameter to train our model. Like labeling scheme, which we choose by BIO, beginning in out. There is other labeling scheme, but we try all of them, and usually these labeling schemes gives better result than the others. Doing lowercase, we just use the tokens as they are within to lowercase. Learning rate, for example, we choose small value. Sentence, we choose this length of the sentences for the training, so the long sentence is truncated, but for the validation, long sentence is divided to another sentence, and we keep it in the validation. For the padding, we choose patch padding instead of padding on the whole data set. For the pre-trained model, we choose Pito, which is BERT version trained on Spanish language. For the dataset, the organizer of the competition provided us with only one dataset, so we split this dataset 80 to 20%, and to assure that we end up with fair number of entities inside the training and inside the validation, we stratify the splitting using the entity count. Finally, this is the results. So we submit 5 runs to the competition. So this is the result for the 5 runs, and this is the competition final results. You can see that our model accomplished the 6th place in the first and the second subtask. For the last task, the norm task, we accomplished the 2nd place. For the code and all the things related to the competition, we submit our system and we put it available on this repository on GitHub. That's all. Thank you for listening, and if you have any doubt or questions, you can send me an email. Bye.